Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to thread and ratchet and unwind a ratchet strap. So the first thing you want to do is form a nice little A shape like this, and you're going to put the open end through the slit. So once it's going through the slit, you're then going to double back and have it come over the top of the drum. So I'll show you what this looks like. So you'll just double back and have it come right back through the top. So now you can see it has like a little V shape, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Now when it goes to hooking it up, you're gonna put one end on the anchor that you have, and then you're going to go to the other side and hook up the ratchet to the other anchor as well. Now the key with this is we want to ratchet as few times as possible. So you want to pull tight on that loose long end, and once you get it tight, then you'll ratchet. But notice how this is only going to ratchet like 3 total times. Otherwise, you're just bunching it up, and that's when you start to get in trouble. And I'll show you how to unwind that. Anyway, to release it, you open the handle flat, and then it will slide nice and easy. Okay, so show you again. Pull it as tight as you can, and then ratchet. And again, you should only be ratcheting 3 or 4 times. When it comes time to unwinding it, it can get a little stubborn. So you'll notice you have a fixed end here. We're not going to really deal with that. To unwind it, you need the 2 other ends that actually move. You can put your foot on the bottom of where that anchor is, open the handle flat, and then as you pull up on it, sometimes it takes a little yanking, you can actually get it to come free, and it should spin. That drum should spin, and then you're back to where you started. Okay, so if it does get bound up like this, and it's been wound up way too many times, the main thing you're going to try to do is take that long loose end, and you're going to have to push it back through and pull it out. So it's usually 1 or 2 layers down underneath the other strap. So what you'll have to do is pull up like that until you can loosen it up, and then you're going to push that loose long end back through. And so once you do that, you're going to have to keep doing this process basically over and over and over again until you have it all the way unwound. But see how I'm pulling that loose long end back out? And again, the way that it ratchets on itself like this, you'll be able to pull it out, and then you'll have to start over. So you're going to have to lift up on 1 layer until you can find where that long loose end is again, and start to push that long loose end back through. And so just unwind it that way. Keep doing the same process over and over again. It's all about taking that long loose end and pushing it back through. And again, it might be 1 or 2 layers down each time. So that's how you unravel it. So hopefully I explained that well enough. It's kind of confusing when it's all bunched up and tangled, but that's the key. Just find the long loose end and try to push it back through. And again, it's going to be 1 or 2 layers down underneath the other part of the ratchet that has been strapped down. So anyway, just unthread it. It'll take a little bit of time, and eventually you'll be completely free like this, and then you'll be able to hook it back up the way that it should be done. So just make sure that you're ratcheting it as few times as possible, and that should really help you out.